In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice in Xero, an essential skill for managing your business finances effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, mastering the invoicing process can help streamline your financial operations, ensuring accuracy and professionalism in your transactions. Let's start by accessing the invoicing feature. From any screen in Xero, you have two straightforward ways to initiate a new invoice. First, you can simply click on the plus icon you'll find commonly at the top of the screen and select the Invoice option from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you're already navigating through the Business section, direct yourself to Business, then Invoices, and find the New Invoice button, which accomplishes the same task. Next, it's important to add your customer details to the invoice. Xero conveniently allows you to select an existing contact from your stored list, making the process faster if you've previously done business with this individual or company. However, if this is a new client, you'll want to add them by providing their relevant details, ensuring your records are up to date. One of the convenient features of Xero is its ability to automatically populate the invoice number and date for you, which saves time. Nonetheless, you might find yourself needing to adjust the due date depending on your agreement with the client, which you can easily do. Now, let's move to entering the line items, which is a crucial aspect of your invoice. You have the flexibility to add items by selecting from your existing list of products and services. This is not only time efficient, but ensures uniformity in your billing descriptions. If you happen to be billing for a service or product not already on your list, worry not. You can type in a new description directly into the invoice. Be sure to accurately fill in the quantity, unit price, and applicable tax rate for each line item to accurately reflect what you're billing your customer for. Customizing your invoice is an excellent way to maintain your brand's identity and meet specific client needs. Xero lets you add a reference number. Select a distinct branding theme if your business utilizes multiple ones, and even change the currency to align with international business relations if required. Don't overlook the online payment options, as managing them can provide your clients with a seamless transaction experience, potentially speeding up the payment process. Finally, if you have any supporting documents, like contracts, receipts, or detailed specifications about the project or products, you can easily attach these files to your invoice. This can be done by dragging and dropping the files directly onto the invoice interface, or clicking Attach Files to select them from your computer. Including these documents can provide clarity and serve as a record for both you and your client. By following these steps, you'll not only create a new invoice efficiently in Xero, but also ensure that your financial transactions are clear, professional, and complete. Happy invoicing!